Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. So this is a video which I'm trying to upload after a recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first let's start both phones by restarting the device. Let's see. Yes. So just yesterday only friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the software update on the August 13th. So we'll be able to get to know how is the performance of this phone. I need to test it to check the temperatures and everything. But let's see meanwhile, how is the RAM management? Did you get any kind of improvement or not? And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes, high performance mode. And let's see using this mode, will it make any kind of difference or not? So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. So this is going to be really interesting comparison. And during this process, we don't require any kind of Wi-Fi, nothing at all. And I did turn on the external RAM capabilities in this phone. So external RAM capabilities are turned on in the iQOO 7 device. So you should not be worried about those as well. And right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is loading. And let me turn off the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is off, and high performance mode also I'll try to turn on. Let's go to the battery and more battery. Done. Clearing everything from the background memory. And these are the games which are selected. These are very small games, 10 very small games only friends, not big games. Let's start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf. So there's no game space, there's no ultra game mode, nothing enabled during this process, just only basic games, just to demonstrate how well both phones are actually organized. I mean in terms of opening speeds and even in the RAM management as well, we'll get to know all the details. The first phone to open faster is the iQOO 7 device in terms of speed. You did see, right, the speed is slightly better in the iQOO 7 device, little bit, in terms of the opening speeds. Not bad. And next move to the next game, which is Smash It game. So slightly the iQOO 7 opens little bit faster, the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Just a little bit, but not much, just a little bit. As you can see friends, clearly. And next is a Traffic Rider. Let's see this game. Traffic Rider also not bad. And next is Ilkram Racing. So slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device in terms of the loading speed, just a little bit, as you can see. Faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. Even the OnePlus Nord 2 is using the high performance mode, but still it was unable to match the speed of this iQOO 7 device. It was able to beat the Realme X1 Max and maybe the Poco F3 GT in some games, but not with the Snapdragon 870 in terms of the speeds, as you can clearly see here how it's happening. So in most of the games, the iQOO 7 was able to open the faster, except in this game. So now let me show you in the background RAM management and everything. So complete 10 games are completely there in the background RAM management, as you can see friends. Let's start the test from the last game. Let's see which phone can actually store how many games. And after recent software update, is there any kind of improvement in the OnePlus Nord 2 or not? So I'm trying to do a little bit kind of faster to keep this video very small as possible within that 5 minutes of time, because a lot of users did ask me to keep this video very small in terms of speed test. Smash It, as you can see, Smash It got close. So the OnePlus Nord 2 same issue is going on, and not an issue. I'm not saying it's an issue. Sorry friends. So it's kind of same thing, same repeating. Only 5 games it was able to store in the background. So there must be some kind of reason why it's happening, because for applications it's not behaving like that. No. If you include the applications, the phone was able to store 10 applications, 15 applications, 20 also without any issues. But when it comes to the games, it was unable to do that. So usually we will keep more applications in the background than keeping more games in the background. So in that case, so you should not be worried about anything about the OnePlus Nord 2. For day-to-day task, you should not be worried at all friends. As you can see, the iQOO 7 was able to keep all the 10 games or 10 games completely in the background RAM management without any kind of problem at all, as you can see exactly. So in the speed test and the RAM management test, the iQOO 7 was a clear winner in terms of the doing that. Let's see the random test. Let's come back from the last. As you can see, the games got closed completely, which were open before, but right now they are closed. As you can see friends, they are getting closed. smash it also in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not sure OnePlus Nord 2 didn't keep any games in the background RAM management. So these are the quick comparison between both phones. In case if you have any other queries, don't forget to follow the playlists which are created for all the devices in my channel. As you can see, you can check the playlist for each and every smartphone. So again, I'll be back in the next videos, friends, in the more updates on these comparisons as well. See you in the next video, friends. I'll then straight for more details. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.